Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about the original flags used in the War for Independence from Spain and what happened to them. As always, if you need additional information, you can click on any of the links in the descriptive box below, including the links that'll take you out to Amazon.com that offers all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. The town of San Miguel played a fundamental role in the beginning of the emancipatory process of Mexico. San Miguel was the nucleus of a secret group to which approximately 60 conspirators and sympathizers were attached, including military, clergy, and civilians, who were summoned by Ignacio Allende, the main leader of the first stage of Mexican independence. The Mexican struggle for independence began with the Cry of Dolores. In September of 1810, Father Miguel Hidalgo uttered the country's cry for independence. He called not only for liberation from Spain, but also for the end of slavery and the return of lands to the indigenous. A highly educated Creole, person of Spanish descent, who had been born in the Americas, Father Hidalgo's efforts led to both the stripping of his priestly title and his gruesome execution. Hidalgo's cry set in motion the Mexican War for Independence. In what was then called San Miguel el Grande, formerly San Miguel de los Chichimecas and now San Miguel de Allende, the rebels carried two flags on blue taffeta. One flag featured Our Lady of Guadalupe, the other flag had burgundy crosses, an eagle, and the Archangel St. Michael. The flags are considered the first insurgent flags of military origin. The two twin flags, which marched together on the night of September 16, 1810, were carried by those who joined the emancipatory struggle in the town of San Miguel de El Grande. Both flags were captured by Felix Marie Calleja during the Battle of Puente de Calderon, just outside of town, in the War of Independence. They were given to King Ferdinand VII as a war trophy in 1814. These flags have extraordinary value as they are the first emblems of freedom movement that spread throughout Mexico. These flags not only represent the emblems that the insurgency of San Miguel region adopted, but also the feelings, loyalty, and patriotism and slogans that they shared with all those insurgent groups that joined the first armed movement for Mexican independence. However, instead of being exhibited here in San Miguel de Allende, the flags are currently in Spain in an army museum. On the occasion of the bicentennial celebrations, politicians, academics, and history buffs pleaded with Spain to return the flags. However, much like the indigenous codices or books, the first map of San Miguel and the banner of Guadalupe Father Hidalgo grabbed in the Totonilco when proclaiming freedom, they all remain in Spain. Fingers crossed the flags one day return home to San Miguel de Allende to be featured in the Allende Museum here in the Jardín. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications all month long